In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your WooCommerce shop page efficiently. Whether you're installing WooCommerce for the first time or making adjustments, setting the correct shop page is essential for getting your online store running smoothly. When you first install WooCommerce, it automatically creates a default shop page for you. However, you may want to assign a different page or update the existing one. So let's walk through the entire process clearly and confidently. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard. This is where you can manage everything on your site. On the left-hand menu, look for the WooCommerce tab. Once you click on WooCommerce, you will see several options appear. For this task, go ahead and choose Settings. At the top of the Settings area, you will notice several tabs. Click on the Products tab. This section controls how products are displayed and handled across your store. Inside the Products section, look for the area labeled Shop Page. Here you'll find a menu that lets you select which page you want to use as your shop page. This is useful if you've already created a custom page or if you prefer something different from the default one. Click on the menu and you will see a list of all the pages on your WordPress site. Choose the page you want to set as your shop page. If you haven't created one yet, you can make a new page first, then return here to assign it. Once you've selected the correct page, scroll down and click Save Changes. This is an important step because it ensures the new shop page is officially applied to your live site. And that's it. You've successfully set your WooCommerce shop page. Your store is now connected to the page you want your customers to see. A clear, well-designed shop page can make a huge difference in both user experience and sales. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more WooCommerce tutorials.